Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today's recipe I am sharing to you how to make a perfect bread without egg or butter and no kneading. You only need 4 ingredients. In a bowl, add 6 cups of flour. After that, you are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then you mix it together. In another bowl, add 4 teaspoons of yeast. After that, you are going to add your sugar. You are going to add 124 grams of sugar. I'm using 1/4 of cup. I use 2. After that, you are going to pour in 2 cups of water. Make sure this water is a little bit warm, not hot, but a little bit warm. Then you mix it thoroughly. After that, you are going to add your oil. I use 124 ml of oil. Then you introduce your flour. Then you create a well and pour in the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now make sure your hand are clean because you are going to use your hand to mix it. Now you make sure you mix it very well. After mixing like this, you are going to cover it for 15 minutes. You are going to cover the dough for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we have. You see the dough is soft now. Then you are going to knead for 2 to 3 minutes. So all this is what you are going to do here. If you are new to this channel, please welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. I shared a cooking tutorial and a lifestyle vlog on this channel. So do well to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So after kneading, this is what we have. In another bowl, I'm going to put in a little bit of oil. This is a cooking oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. Then I place the dough inside the bowl, then add another flour on it and use my hand to gently rub it. After this, you are going to cover the dough for 45 minutes or till the dough is double in size. After 45 minutes, this is what we have. I sprinkle a little flour on the dough, then punch the middle of the dough. This is the dough. I'm going to divide it into 3 parts. So I've divided it into 3 parts. This is one of it. Gently, I'm going to press it very flat. You can use your rolling pin to do this. You press it flat. After pressing, this is what we have. This is how I'm going to roll it. I'll fold it like this, tucking, then do it again. Gently roll it. If I roll it, I'm going to tuck in. So you are going to gently roll it. After you roll it finish, you are going to put it like this. Then you are going to put your hand to put the two together, so you will not be seeing any place that will join it. This is the pan I'm going to use. I added a little oil inside, then I will gently rub the oil inside the pan. So I've put the dough inside, then I will use my hand to press it down and do the same thing for the second part. So this is the second one. Remember, I divide the dough into three. So this is the two. Don't forget, you are going to use the back of your palm to press it very flat. Then you cover it. You cover it like this. This is the third part. I'm going to divide it into three also. I'm going to work on one, then I will do the three of the camera. This is how you are going to fold it. Just make sure you are tucking to in the middle. You're tucking in the middle. Make sure you do it very well. Then after that, you rub it on your working surface. So this is the three. I'm going to rub the oil on this oven pan, then put the three on it. I will cover it for another 45 minutes or till it's doubled. This is it. So I'm going to put it in the oven. I already preheated the oven. So after 40 to 35 minutes, it depends on the oven you are using. This is what we have. I just use a little bit oil to rub on it so it can have a shiny part. So this is the our bread. As you can see, this is our bread. I have not been buying bread outside. I make all my bread at home with what I have in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your family and friends. I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.